the freezer, straight into our batter, and now you have an epic batch of homemade blueberry muffins. Hi, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel I share all the kitchen skills that moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more. We're gonna make the batter for these blueberry muffins straight into a bowl. We'll start out with softened butter. This has been sitting out at room temperature for about an hour, and you want it nice and soft to where you can press your finger down and it sinks right in. This is very different than melting your butter. Don't do that. Let's add it into a large bowl, and then I'm gonna add the sugar. You can use a stand mixer or this hand mixer. To cream it, you wanna do this for about 5 minutes. You wanna get the sides well, and then from time to time, use a spatula and you can bring it in to mix it through. This really does take 5 minutes, and creamed butter looks nice and soft where you can barely feel the sugar. Now we add the eggs, the vanilla, and the milk, and we're gonna mix it until it's just combined into a batter. I'm gonna add the dry ingredients directly into the bowl, starting with the flour, then the baking powder, and the salt. I'm gonna mix this on low speed until the batter is nice and combined. I'm adding the blueberries straight from the freezer, and then I'm gently folding it into the batter. My oven is preheating with the top rack positioned in the middle, and I'm also gonna line my pan with paper liners. My first pass is with 1 scoop of batter per cup, and whatever's left in the bowl, I go back and distribute it evenly. For an added touch, you can also sprinkle a little bit of sugar right over the tops. Now we bake these in our preheated oven for 22 to 25 minutes until the tops are golden, and when a toothpick is inserted in the middle, the center comes out clean. Don't these look great? I'm going to let them sit on the counter for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna transfer them onto a cooling rack where they're going to fully cool. You can enjoy these today or refrigerate leftovers in an airtight container for up to 4 days. Check out the inside, they're soft, full of blueberries. They're the perfect muffin made with frozen blueberries. Everything you need to make these is gonna be right below this video. See you next time.